Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, you have multiple windows open, and suddenly you realize your mouse cursor is nowhere to be found. You move your mouse around frantically, but it's like playing a game of hide and seek. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because we have a solution for this pesky problem. The solution to this mouse cursor vanishing act is quite simple. All you need to do is press the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Yes, you heard that right, just give that Ctrl key a little tap, and watch as your elusive mouse cursor reappears on the screen. It's like magic. This handy trick works like a charm, and can save you from unnecessary stress and confusion when your cursor decides to play hide and seek. Now, you might be wondering why pressing the Ctrl key brings back the mouse cursor. Well, the Ctrl key is designed to provide shortcuts and commands to your computer. In this case, pressing Ctrl helps your system locate and display the mouse cursor, which may have momentarily gone incognito. So, next time your cursor decides to pull a disappearing act, remember this simple solution and thank us later. To wrap it up, remember that the next time your mouse cursor goes missing, just press the Ctrl key to bring it back into the spotlight. We hope this little tip helps you out in your tech adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your favorite tech troubleshooting trick. Until next time, happy clicking!